Any doubts we're having? Up to what we have completed of expert? Just anyone say me.
Expert by attribute.
Attribute completed, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Namrata. Today we'll start with expert by text. Okay. Write down the syntax for this. There are two syntax. One is with a
Ano
text.
sa bagla ko?
One is with a text method and one is with a dot method. That is this. These are the two syntaxes you can write quickly. Done. Now you can see here.
Yeah.
Hmm. See, I want to click on this create page. Okay, this create page. This is the text value which we are having, and this value is present with respect to a. Clear? If, as we know, with respect to a, if any like a value is present, we are using which one? Link text or partial link text. Clear? That's all. Hmm, driver is equal to previously we are using this link text or partial link text or not for this one. Copy. Then got clicked. But for example, now my question was actually, for example, I want to click on this login button using text value. You can see here it is written as login. With respect to button, it is there. That means, let's see whether we are able to click or not using that. See, we are not able to click on this button. Okay, for which we will be using XPath. What is the XPath syntax? Double slash tag name bracket start text method is equal to the text value what we are able to highlight, copy, Then now we are able to click on that. Got my point? Clear what is the difference between this link text and this XPath?
Yes. Sir,
Yeah,
so this link test we only used for hyperlink, right? And XPath we
correct.
can use for buttons.
No, no,
Correct.
no, no,
Okay.
no. Link text
No?
is used for only
Mm-hmm.
hyperlinks. Okay, that is correct.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
XPath can be
Mm-hmm.
used for any of the element which is having a text value. That
Okay.
means my point is, like in this HTML tree, it may be with division, it
Mm-hmm.
may be with text box, it may be with the text area, it may be with input, anything is there. If a text value, as
Mm-hmm.
of we have learned previously, we are having some parts of HTML. What is one is your HTML tag, like the
Mm-hmm.
components of I'm saying the components of any web element. Okay,
Yeah.
attributes and text value. My point is, anywhere if text value is present, we can use this one. It may be link text, it may be like sorry, it may be any hyperlink, it may be any button, anything.
Okay. Okay. Got it now.
And this take, and here also we have done a segregation. This text method will only applicable for visible text, but dot method will be
Mm-hmm.
applicable for both hidden and visible text. Okay, what is this hidden text? See here. You can find here. See, I want to click on this create new account. Okay, you can find here
Mm.
three dots are there. That means it's a hidden
Yeah.
text. Okay, if we'll click
Mm-hmm.
on that, inside that we can find a text value. That means for
Correct.
this instead of this text method, we can go for this dot method also. See,
Okay.
see, instead of this text method, we'll just write dot. That's it. Done. See here, you're able to
Yeah.
click on write this.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Now we'll go with done.
Yeah.
Go with the next one. That is XPath by contents. Okay. XPath by contents is having two things. One is for attributes, that is, and this is very important one. tag name bracket start contains at the rate attribute name comma attribute value. This one will be used for if you are going for any of the attribute. I'll say what is all those things. Second one is for text value. For text value, we'll be having two syntax. One is tag name bracket star contains text method. Or we'll be using this one. Okay. These are the syntaxes for this context contents. For this contents method for attribute, you will be using one method, and for text value, as of we are using two methods previously. That same two methods is used. Okay, why this is used? Anyone can say? Bolo.
Suppose we have only a partial value.
Partial value. No, like we can take partial value. Suppose we are having a value
Hmm.
which is very lengthy. Okay, in that
Yeah.
condition, we can go for this. For example, I'll show you. Wait, I want to like look at this one. Okay, um, why this is how to hide this? Leave it. Not waste time here. Okay, see, it is written as placeholder is equal to email address or phone number. It's a very lengthy one or not? I'll copy it. How to use this attribute double slash input bracket start at the rate. Previously we are using like this. This is the syntax of which one?
Attribute.
Xpath by attribute. Correct. Okay, it is coming or not? But this one is making me very trouble here. How to hide this? I don't know. Just a minute. Okay, now that means we are using this one. That this is very lengthy or not? If I want to use only up to this, like only I'll write up to this, I'll not write this. Will it work? Will it work?
Yeah,
What exception it will throw?
I don't know.
Huh? What exception it will throw? It will throw no such element exception. See, it will throw no such element exception. In this condition, what we can do, as I have shown you, this for attribute, that means this is attribute name and attribute value is present. In this condition, we can go for contents method. Okay, how to use this contents method? See now. Contains bracket start at the rate attribute name comma parcel attribute value. We're able to identify or not? Done. What my point? The guys are getting or not? Clear up to this? Fine. Take down this. Next, we will go for just a minute. Okay. Now we'll go for this XPath by text one. As previously, we are using with that link text and parcel link text, the same. For that link text and parcel link text, this one came because we have to use the dynamic one. Copy double slash a bracket start contains dot comma the text value. That means we can previously we are not able to use the parcel text or C. We can use your parcel text value. Same, instead of this dot, if we use a text method, and this dot is used for all the things hidden and visible text, and your text method will be working for only visible text. Done. Clicked. Guys, you are getting what I am saying?
Yes.
Got my point? You can take down this quick. Okay, now XPath by attribute text contents. Khatam. Now XPath by group index. Okay. XPath by group index will work like this. Any of the XPath expression followed by your index value. That's it. XPath expression represents your XPath attribute path by text. Attribute text contents group index. Attribute text contents. Dependent and independent XPath. That means these are the like XPath which we are using. Any of the expression as of I have shown you the syntaxes, you can this use that, and this index value you will take as your integer value. Integer value. Take down this quickly. And this integer value will always starts from 1. This integer value always starts from 1. Done? Understood? What is this group index and why to use this group index? I'll show you that. See, for example, I'm using this. Okay. I'm using a relative XPath as the index like input. I'm using index value as input. See, this is a relative XPath. You can see here we are having one of six. That means in some of the cases you will be finding you will be unable to locate. In extreme case, you'll use this because it is not recommended or it is not said to use every time. In extreme case, you will use this if you are not able to like uniquely identify element. At that condition, what it will happen? It will be same like this. In this, what we will do? Bracket close will be indexing it. See, will be indexing it. Clear up to this?
But from where are you seeing the index number?
No, no, you will not fancy in this indexing, what we have to do first of all, like there is no hardened rule is there, but what we can do it here is I'll show you just a minute. To locate this first, for example, I have to take some value, okay? That is, for example, this class will have some duplicate, might be. Leave it. So for example, I have taken as input. That is the tag name. Using this tag name, it is one of six is written. I want to like highlight, like I want to fetch all the links. I write as double slash a. In double slash a, you can find a one of 48 it come. But within 50 elements, is it possible to like index a element? See, this is your HTML tree. This one is our HTML tree. And when you are going to identify any of the element, it will come like this. See, from top to bottom, it will come. You have to check here which element is getting highlighted. If I'll write here input, see, it came to the first one of the HTML tree where input tag is present. Like before this input tag is not present. From here input tag is start. It is written is one of six. Enter once. You'll see like I want to enter data in password text field. It is not getting highlighted. Enter two. One is now password is getting highlighted. You have to check here in which number it is getting highlighted. That is 4 of 6. Then you have to close the bracket and you have to index it and press enter to see whether that element is getting highlighted or not. And you have to see here whether it is getting one of one or not. Clear? Now also not getting
Yeah.
another also I can show you. See, for example, type is equal to submit. Okay. I want to click on this create new account. Okay. Using this create new account, I have role is equal to button, copy double slash a bracket start at the rate. See, I'm like just I want to locate that element. But what happened? While locating that attribute, it came as one of three. See, this one also is getting highlighted. Somewhere in the dump file, it is getting highlighted, and now it is getting highlighted here in second index. What you have to keep that entire XPath expression in like this bracket. Got my point? Clear? Whether it is working or not, you see. Got my point? Clear? Take down this.
Sir, which element we are going to identify that position number should be mentioned after the syntax, right, sir?
Correct. Position number, not indexing.
Okay.
I want to know why are you using thread.sleep at two places? In line number 13 also you are using,
Correct.
and you are using again in line number 16 also.
Because through automation, if you are doing like I'm teaching you, correct? Like if I'll not use now thread.sleep, it will be moved so fast you cannot see the changes in the UI. Just to show you the changes in the year, what I am going to enter, or what I am going to click, I'm using thread.sleep, but it is not mandatory that we should use thread.sleep. And going forward in a chapter called as synchronization, I'll be teaching a topic is there. A topic is there. I'll just let you know. See, I'm using thread.sleep in everywhere where
Okay, okay,
I want. I'll teach you a topic, this one, synchronization.
okay, okay.
Why
But
why to use thread.sleep, when to use thread.sleep, and we will be for Selenium we'll be not using thread.sleep. What to do? I'll just let you know on that day.
mhm,
Okay.
thank you. So, but if we will use one time also, it works, right?
See, if I'm using thread.sleep here, no, from this line to this line, like from line number 12 to line number 14. In line
Uh-huh.
number 31, it will hold the execution for like 3 milliseconds.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, 3 seconds. That is your
Mm-hmm.
3000 milliseconds. Then from going
Okay.
forward, it will run like as usual, it will run.
Okay.
Again, I have hold here because this, see, after entering the data, like you have seen, okay, data has been entered. Again, I have hold the program for 3 seconds. Again, I am just clicking on an element, or else it will suddenly click on the element. Then you'll not get to know where what happened.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you click on the previous program, sir? Just before this program, XPath by text.java.
XPath by
In the upper tab, sir, upper tab. So we have so many programs, right, sir? So second program I'm asking.
this one.
Just I'm taking a screenshot. That's why I'm asking. XPath by attribute also, sir. Absolute XPath, please. Sir, CSS, please. Class name, sir. Sir, name by Java. IDE, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now we'll be learning this traversing expert expert by traversing and dependent independent expert. Both are actually interrelated. You have to just know what is this expert by traversing. Concentrate properly. This is going to be used very much in your programs. See, traversing of types. Yes, you're feeling easy with this, or you're like facing any issues with while using this, like Selenium, I'm saying, till now.
What?
Like you're like it's easy to write codes.
Trying, sir.
You have to practice. All the assignments done. Hmm?
Not yet, sir. We are working on.
You have to complete before class every day, or else there will be a lot of the things to do. See, using like what is this forward traversing? As we are using only double slash, okay, that is used for forward traverse. That means from parent to direct child we are going. But what is this backward traversing? Backward traversing means this one double dot. That means what it represent? It will go from child to the immediate parent child to the immediate parent tag. These two, and the normal one is your forward, like that is a forward slash will be also used as a like your forward slash will be used for also forward traversing. Traversing means what? What do you mean by the word traversing? Can anyone say?
Moving from one place to another, I think.
Correct. Moving from one place to another. That means here what we are doing, we are moving in our HTML tree. Okay. Just I'll write a HTML tree for you all so that you'll get an idea.
Sir, I have.
This is your one of the HTML tree which we have made. That means if as the question you asked, no, like what is this forward slash? What is this single forward slash? I'm telling now backward slash. These are the things what happen. See, when we are going to look it will be same like this in your web page. Open with. See. That means if I want to locate here what I was doing, I'll just clicking on this inspect. I'm entering the data from here. I'm taking the data from here and entering. But internally, how it works, it will go to here and start traveling like this from your HTML to down. That means if I want to click on this username, it will start traveling from here and it will come up to this. Then only here you can look it with the specific element. And when we are using this single forward slash, it will start from here. That means we have to specify this element first, then this element, then this element with indexing, then this element. Then only we will be able to reach to that element. I'll show you with all those things now. See, first you see that you get an idea. Then I'll say, see, traversing is not an syntax, anything. It is not having. Traversing is a concept which will be used in your dependent and independent XPath. Just now we'll be learning how to travel in our HTML tree. That's it. Nothing more than that we'll be using here. Because this is a dependent one. This traversing, if we know how to use traversing, then only you can go for this dependent and independent XPath. If we don't know about traversing, we cannot use this one. That's why see properly. My question is now, we are able to open this one now. I want to enter data in this password text field. Okay, using absolute XPath. That means I'll be using here absolute XPath. That means what we'll be using in this absolute XPath? We'll be using the concept of traversing. That means from HTML tag to this password element, we have to travel to locate. See how? Control find slash HTML. The entire page is getting highlighted. Slash body. It came to body slash. Okay, password is in which division? Second division. See, I have typed division. It is in second division. Second division. Now, inside this division, I'll be having input. For these two inputs, you can see here, it is the 1, 2. That means I want to go to 2. This is 1. Absolute XPath. That means we have to travel. This concept is what? That is, we are doing traversing from our parent to the child where we want to work. Clear? Clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Got it.
See, it has entered here or not? Data has entered here. Now my question is, sir, it will be very lengthy, as we know it is having some demerits or drawbacks, where I'll be using with double forward slash. That means this double forward slash is also indicating to navigate to the direct child tag using, see, I have tiled with division 2 slash, clear. That means instead of coming from your body and anything directly, I have came to this child tag, that is our division tag, and I have entered. That means what happened, it is going to save your traveling time from parent to the specific child. This one is using your double forward slash, which you are using, and we are saying it as your relative expert. But my question is, the main thing is what I want to locate password first. From this password I want to enter first name. See, my question is, for example, I want to look at password. Okay, how to look at password? Division 2.
Division 2
Yes,
and input 2.
input 2. But I want to now, with respect to this password element, I want to enter data inside this first name. That means it is present before a password or not. That means I have to go back. Here what I'll be doing, slash double dot. That means it will navigate. This is your child tag where you are present. It will navigate to the immediate parent. Directly you cannot use this syntax. Again, what you will do? Slash double dot. That means it went to the body one. From this body again we will come to the child tag. Double slash division 1 double slash input. Clear? This is the concept of doing backward traversing. Driver dot find element. See, data is entered or not? Clear up to this?
Clear, sir. So how many times we need to move back? So that many times we need to mention forward slash with along with 2 dots, right?
Yeah, because using this two forward slash, you can navigate to any of the child tag, but using this, you have to move from child to the immediate parent. Then from parent to child, you have to travel.
Okay, okay. So if we use only single forward slash, then we need to go from parent to child sequentially. If we
Yeah,
use directly two double slashes, then we can jump on to the child and then again we can come back to the parent again.
yeah.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay, go through this concept, try to use this traversing one. Okay, traversing means just practice the flow. Again, tomorrow morning I'll be saying you how to use this, why traversing is required, why I'm doing this, because directly here we can locate this first name, why I have done like this, everything I'll be saying you. Then we will complete the concept of dependent and independent XPath. Clear? And clear all the doubts of your locators by tomorrow only, because going forward this locators will only work. And if you don't know about the locators, like you'll be asking, sir, why you're using this locator, that locator? No, as per my convenience, as per our convenience, we'll be using. But you have to know which locator is used, why it is used, when to used, for which you have to practice. Clear?
Clear, sir.
So tomorrow I'll complete with this dependent and independent, and we'll start doing with this coding part. Okay?
Sir, only one query. So how you created transversing.html? Can you just show us once?
Sure. Just make any of your folder or package. Okay. Any of the folder, package, anything you can make. Right click on that. New file. File name may be anything. Demo HTML, for example. Or only demo you see. That means I want to create a file on the name of demo. You have to use extension called as .html and click on finish. Interface will come like this. You have to write the your HTML CSS queries here, and when it will be you'll open with browser, you can see the UI. This is your HTML CSS part.
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you.
Uh, uh,
Yeah.
Sir, as we joined last time only in the last class, so
Okay.
may I know which project you made this? Like, is it the Maven project or Spring
No,
Boot
no, no, no,
project?
no. This one is the Java project which I am using. Going forward, after completing with all the syntaxes and everything, when I'll start with the main project, there I'll teach you the project with Java and with Maven also.
Okay, and can you tell like which extension are you using in while you are inspecting where you are writing uh, uh, where you are writing the locators, which
I'm not using any extension for that, and I'll not
you are
suggest.
using some plugin,
No,
right?
nothing. That is like you have to remember the syntax for the timing. See, I'll tell you one thing. I do have many plugins for that. Okay, if you want to see my plugin chart, no, I'll show you.
Uh,
But
yeah,
I'll
but
never.
that green line where you are writing um, the locator, we don't have that.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'm saying that these are the
Mhm.
plugins which I am using. Okay, these are all the plugins I'm using. But why I'm not suggesting to use plugins right now? You will not remember the syntaxes, and you will face the issues. For the timing, you have to practice. And I'll tell you what the syntaxes means. See, export by attribute, we are having a syntax, text, contains, group index, traversing, which I am teaching right now. That means up to this, I have given syntax. How many syntaxes in for the expert only same? Only 3 to 4 syntaxes. Try to remember that. And how to use, like how you're searching. See, this is your web page. This is your web page. You have, you have to go to your developers toolbar. Control Shift I. Hey guys, please keep quiet. Control Shift I. What you will do here in this your developers toolbar, you can find with Control F. Control F means it will show you what the locator you want to search. Directly, you can enter the syntax here to find out the element which you want to locate. Clear?
Okay.
See,
Yeah.
I'll tell you the plugins what you can use, but once be acquainted with the syntaxes and everything, I'll tell you the plugins what to use. Okay.
Okay, but you are using Control F for
Yeah.
finding. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you.
Anything more, guys? Any queries you are having? You can ask me any of the questions you can.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I join from today, so can I get all the previous session recording or anything else like?
A recording. See, for that recording part, Gopal can assist you. Gopal has Gopal will upload all these recordings in YouTube. We can just follow the links. You're in the WhatsApp group, correct?
Yeah.
And just in the morning only, I have dropped a message to like you do follow and subscribe all those so that you can get an update of that.
Okay.
Clear? You'll get it. No, not an issue for that. Anything more, guys? You want to know any queries? Hello.
Up to now, nothing, sir. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay, bye bye, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.
Have a good
Yeah.
day.
Thank you.
Bye.